Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maureen Ndikwani. I am here to present PowerPoint, or what you call Introduction to PowerPoint. Now, when you are doing PowerPoint or when you are making PowerPoint presentation, this is what you do. You will click to your PowerPoint. It is just down here. Click on that and it is coming. Okay, that is PowerPoint. It's still reading. Yes. So you can see that is PowerPoint presentation. You will come here. You come to blank. Click on that. It's also coming. Add. You click to add title. By the way, viewers, PowerPoint is the power of point. In PowerPoint presentation, we have what we call slides. So you will click here to add title. Are you seeing? Then you type in what you want. After typing in, that is going to be your first slide. Then you again click here to add some title. You will type. If you want to add new slides, you're going to click there. Are you seeing? Then you select what you want. Are you seeing? That is another what? That's another slide. If you want that, are you seeing? You choose. You want title or content. You click there. You can do that the same way I have done. But make sure that your slides are at least more than 5. At least 5 to 6 or 7, but not beyond. So these are what you call the slide pages or pages of the PowerPoint. In these slides, if you want this, you're going to click on this, and then, as I said, you click here, you come here, no title, you come here. When you have clicked here, click to add title, then you type in what you want. But from this my explanation, I want to take you to exactly the PowerPoint slides pages that I have done, so that you can see exactly what takes place in the PowerPoint presentation. So please, so you will come here. I have a presentation PowerPoint. You're going to click there and it is bringing. Still, it's reading. So that is it. Yes. So I was talking about the different slides in PowerPoint presentation. Like what you are seeing here, this is the first slide. Okay. This one is the second slide. This is presentation outline. Introduction is there. Types of relationship within the family. Consequences. Expressing opinion. In the third slide, I have definition, because in the first slide I told you I was talking about relationship and emotion. So here I have in the third slide definition. As you can see it here, you talk about it, what it is. Come to the fourth slide. I have types of relationship within a family, whereby what you are seeing down here, I have just put them in points for you to know what I am going to talk about. But in detail, as I present my slides, I will talk about one at a time, one by one. So this is the first slide. Come to the first slide. I have the consequences of relationship, whereby in the consequences, you can end up having stress and conflicts, family breakages, support and belonging, personal growth and identity, happiness and well-being, heartbreak, mental health struggles. All these are the consequences that come as a result of relationship. When you are presenting your slides, you talk about them one by one. The last one in that is expressing opinion on personal experience, whereby you can end up by telling a story about your own experience and a relationship in the family. The last slide here, the last one, the last slide. Let me see, it is down here. Let me just do this since it is a touch screen. So the last slide is this. So after your presentation, you will now give provision for the last slide to be asking question. Ask your viewers if there is any question, if they are contented with your presentation. And then that is where you end. Now, in PowerPoint presentation, there are also so many things you can do with PowerPoint presentation. Like if you want to give it a design, you just come here and then you click on design. Okay, so you can see it has brought different designs. If you want this, you can click on that. Are you seeing the changes? If you want this, you see the changes. If you want that, you can see you can use such a design if that is what you want. So if you want this, you can see those are the changes. If you want that, are you seeing? So there are so many that you can use now, provided you are happy with it and that is what you want. So let me use this design. Okay, then after that there is what we call transition. You click on that. Now in the transitions, if you want to create an effect in your slides, you're going to come here. If you want this, click on that. Then you come to review. Then you're going to see the effect. Are you seeing that? If you want none, of course, definitely you click that and then you see the effect. If you want this, are you seeing? You click on that. You come here. Review. Seeing that? You can see the effect. It is so interesting. Dear viewers, that is what I have definitely presented concerning introduction to PowerPoint, or what you call PowerPoint presentation slides. So if you want to learn more and more and more, you can still tap on in to my YouTube channel, but don't forget to subscribe. Till next time we meet, bye bye. That is what I had for you for today. Thank you for listening and learning.